Government has been very clear in its policy that we have been very development oriented.
Myntri Rangbah ka jela ukonrat ki sangma haka khanyu terik uyayong uloong ba ka Jingdawa ya ka winter capital Tura kaya day bat karoi kapar haka liang ka yok ka kon bat ula bendrap ba ringkat ki policy jong ka sarkar na ka banta karoi kapar onla ban poi shakathong haka banwanra ya karoi kapar habaro ki liang haka jela.
This has been there for a long time. It's not that it's not been there. And as I said, I've always believed and I've always been very clear in my mind that all these issues that we see in social issues that we are seeing, these are all related to economic development.
Haba penting kena baka sarkar kalong kabashay Halor ki policy ki baya day bat karoi kapar Myntri Rangbah uloong.
So therefore, these demands have been there. Government has been very clear in its policy that we have been very development oriented. We have been working at ensuring that we are able to push the private sector, entrepreneurship. So we are hopeful that these aspects also will allow us to move towards the ultimate objective of having rural development.
Kumban chupin kan mau, bun kiseng haka imlang salang hagaru hills, kilayay dawa ya ka winter capital, lani kanong ba kabaar, jong ka jela Tura, da ka ba penkesan bakani kan kentiyo, tang ya karoi kapar hakathan henry kan ya rabru iki kam khayi pateng kabanya rabru ya kayok kakon hakathan hi barok kawe.